So overall, a green day in the market and a green day in my small account. Let's take a look at how my positions did today. I've got $183 on the day, $11,600 in net liquidation. Palantir's up 50 cents, SOFI's up 36 cents. We'll go into the trade that I made today. And then Tesla is up $5.66. And let's take a look at how the charts look and where we can be looking at for the rest of the week. So we can see that the SPY here is wanting to make new highs. We're pushing up to that level. We could see some resistance here and see that formation of the cup and the handle here and then push back up. So it is looking really good here overall. It makes me think of my 30-20-10 strategy. If I held the positions, I might have been able to collect more of my losses back and had more money in my account. But the thing is I was running out of time and I was closing them at a point where it was touching the 50-day here and falling back down. So it was good for me to go ahead and just get out of the position and take my losses, accept the error, realizing that I had too much of my account in the market and my risk was too high. I needed to get out. Now I'm playing a much safer, risk-managed strategy here. It's turning out pretty well right now. So with Palantir, we continue to go up in price here, but we push up higher and we don't sustain those levels and we come back down. So that's not the best thing to see in the charts here, is that it's not holding the price that it was previously at. But we are continuing to see a higher price level, which is really good to see. Palantir is a stock that I want to own. My break-even point right now, my position is at around $22, and we're floating around $21.40, 50 cents right now. So it's really good to see that. By the end of the week, I'm hoping to see that we continue this trend upwards. We're closer to that $22 range, and I can own Palantir at a good price. And looking at the charts here, we can see that we've bounced down to a bottom, didn't quite touch this support level, and we're pushing back up higher. We've tested that 80 EMA and the 21 EMA, and we came back down. So we really need to see that confirmation of the price breaking there and holding. And that's going to be confirmation that, hey, we are going to be continuing to see new highs in the price. Or if we don't hold these levels here, if the price doesn't want to break the 8 and 21 EMA, then we could continue to see a drop down toward that $20 range. And it could just be consolidating here in this pattern. So really not too bad of a position for me. It's as low as that I would like it to go before I own the shares, because my break even, like I said, is $22. And so I want to own it here and I can start selling calls and continuing to drop that break even point. And so if the price stays the same right here, I've got no issues where I'm at right now. And looking at SOFI here, we can see that it had a good push up here. It broke that 50-day moving average. The 8 and 21 are following here. I think we could see a test of the 200 moving average here at some point, but really strong day, good, decent volume, and it's actually running away from me. I have the $7 put that I had. I ended up closing that position, and I've opened another one here, collecting a 20-cent credit per contract, so that's $40, and I moved my position up to $7.50. Because we are in that price range now, and I really want to own SOFI shares, I have no problem rolling out in time and even rolling up in price to get a good credit and to eventually at some point own these shares. So basically, if the price keeps going up, I make money because I'm collecting the credit that I sold. So whenever I have to buy the position back, it's going to be less than whenever I sold the position. And if it goes down in price, I can also own the shares, start selling calls, and I'm still, even though it's in the money, I'm still green. So with Tesla, we're seeing really good signs in the chart. We talked about it yesterday, how this could potentially be a bull flag sticking up here. We pushed up, now we're consolidating down into this bull flag, and we broke the bull flag today. So we could be trending up here after this consolidation period because we did break this resistance level here. And so it's looking pretty good. We had good volume here today. So really good signs coming from the charts here on Tesla and from the market overall. So when the market's going up, we're seeing strength in my stocks that I own or that I have positions in. That's a good sign to see here. And with Tesla, I have no plans of getting out. I want to own the shares here and for the long term, because I believe that in the long term here, Tesla is going to be going up significantly. And so I want to accumulate shares over a long period of time with Tesla. So for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm a new options trader. I'm on a learning journey to grow my small account, and I want to share the things that I learn along the way, giving you daily updates on how my account is doing. If you want to follow me on this journey, hit the subscribe button. If this video was a help to you, hit the like button, and we will see you on the next video.